good manners with your excuse me. Did you kick her? Gotta be careful with this, huh? Maybe you should go give her a kiss. So sweet. Okay, what you gonna do? You gonna write a letter? You writing your name? You wrote a line? Good job. Can you write Ileana? You made a twinkle star? Write it Y-L-I-A-N-A.
A circle.
You drew a circle? Let me see. Draw it again. Here. Here's a blank page. Draw a circle. Good work.